Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Yashita and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all healthy and happy. In today's video, we are going to make paper crafts. So without any delay, let's dig into the video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button because your support means a lot. Also, feel free to comment below the video to let us know your thoughts or which paper craft would you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.